Now students, this is question number 2 of exercise 5.1. Okay. The question is write first four terms of the AP. We have to write first four terms of the AP when first term and the common difference is given. Okay. First term is A is equal to 10 and common difference is D is equal to 10. This is given in the first part. So we have to write the first four terms. Okay. The first four terms, that means we have to find A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. A1 that means is equal to A और that is 10. A2 क्या होता है? A plus B, that is 10 plus 10, this is 20. A3 होता है A plus 2B. Okay, तो this is 20 plus 10. हम डायरेक्ट A2 plus 10, A2 में कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करेंगे तो we'll get A3, so it becomes 30. A4 होता है A plus 3D, so 3D, 10 3 is 30, 30 plus 10 40. और हम प्रीवियस टर्म में कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करेंगे तब भी हमारे पास नेक्स्ट टर्म आ जाएगी. सो दीज आर द फर्स्ट फोर टर्म्स. ओके. सिमिलरली वी कैन डू द सेकंड पार्ट व्हेन a is equal to -2 given and d is equal to 0. We have to find a1, a2, a3, a4. Four terms we have to find. A1 that means is equal to a and that is -2. A2 is a plus b, that means -2 plus 0, this is -2. A3 is a plus 2d. ठीक है, तो 2 into 0 0 और 0 में -2 ऐड करेंगे तो we'll get -2. तो -2 plus 0 again this is -2. A4 is a plus 3d, that is again -2 plus 0, this is -2. Clear? Similarly we can do all the parts of this question. Now come to question number 3. In question number 3, for the following APs we have to write first term and common difference, that means D. AP is given. AP is given in question number 3. अगर AP given है, अगर वो सीरीज AP है, that means common difference is same. ओके, तो हमें सिर्फ फर्स्ट टर्म बतानी है और D बताना है, मतलब हमें A बताना है और हमें D फाइंड आउट करके बताना है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट पार्ट A part of question number 3 is the sequence is given 3, 1, -1, -3 like this. Okay, this AP is given. So we have to write first term. This is A1. First term is 3 और D हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? A2 minus A1. Okay, this is A2, this is A1. ये A1 है, ये हमारे पास A2 है. फाइंड आउट करिए. 1 minus 3, so D is -2. Clear? Now similarly we can do next part, B part. Suppose the AP is -5, -1, 3, 7. This AP is given. So we have to write first term. First term is -5. D find out करना है. D is A2 minus A1. So A2 is -1 minus and A1 is -5. So this is -1 minus plus 5. So common difference is 4. Clear? So A is -5, D is 4. Clear? So when AP is given, we can find the first term and the common difference like this. So we can do all the parts next.